and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing about how to register a trademark in Canada. According to the Trademarks Act of Canada, everything can be trademarked in Canada except for the marks, which are if the trademark is just a name or surname and nothing beyond, if the trademark describes the qualities or characteristics of your services or goods, if the marks are deceptively misleading, if it describes the geographical location where such services or goods originate from, if the trademark is a name for goods or services in another language associated with the trademark, if the mark is confusingly similar to an already registered trademark or to a previously filed application which is pending for registration, if the trademark are either identical or mistaken for a prohibited mark, if the subject matter is obscene, scandalous or immoral, if a trademark consists of a plant variety denomination or a mark that nearly resembles the plant variety denomination that the public is likely to be mistaken and where the application covers a plant variety or another variety of the same species, if the mark reflects the global origin of a spirit, wine or agricultural product or food unless these goods actually originate from that geographical location. Before we begin with the procedure of trademark registration, let us first go through the prerequisites of trademark registration in Canada. Searching the Canadian Trademarks database. In the first step, you should make a preliminary search of the existing trademarks before making the application, as it may prevent you from applying for an existing trademark. Search the trademarks through different versions of a trademark. You should also check all the possible spellings in French language while searching the database for a possible trademark. You should also search for trade names because usually trade names are also used as trademarks irrespective of the fact whether they are registered or not. Third, hiring of a trademark consulting agent. You should also consider the option of hiring a registered trademark agent to file your application and representing you in the case of prosecution proceedings. Let us now understand the procedure of filing a trademark application in Canada. Filing a trademark application in Canada is a simple process which can be done in the following simple steps. Step 1. Preparation of the trademark application. Every trademark registration application should consist of the following. The applicant should provide the name and mailing address. The application should contain a description or representation or both of the trademark, a statement in the specific and ordinary commercial terms of the goods and services associated with the trademark, a statement about the services and goods grouped together according to the lease classification, the prescribed application fee, any other requirements specific to the type of trademark to be registered. A separate application has to be filed for every trademark to be registered. However, under the same trademark, more than one good and service can be registered. Step 2. Representation or description of the trademark. The trademark application should include a description or a representation or both of the trademark for which the trademark is being sought for. The representation should contain more than one view of the trademark if multiple views are necessary to define the trademark. If the trademark has colors, then representations should be made in color along with the description of the colors that appear in the trademark. In case the trademark contains a sound and a moving image, an electronic representation along with the description is required. It is advised by professionals at Enterslice that you should register the trademark in the same way you want to use it, as changing the color may result in expungement of the trademark. Third step, pay the applicable fee. The applicable fee should be paid, that is the base fee for each class of goods or services and the additional fee for every additional class of services or goods. The mode of payment can be either a credit card, postal money, direct payment or via check. Do not make the fee after adding the federal and provincial taxes. Step 4. Make an application for trademark registration. The application can be either filed online or can be sent along with the payment via email to the Canadian Intellectual Property Office. Upon receiving the application, the staff at the CIPO reviews the application to check that every detail is in order. Once satisfied, CIPO acknowledges the date of receiving the application and grants the filing date, which is the date on which the application meets all the filing requirements. This filing date is very important because it helps in determining who is entitled to receive the trademark should there be a confusion between the co-pending marks. Fifth, examination of the trademark and registration of the trademark. Once the application has been received and the filing date has been granted by the CIPO, CIPO runs a search in the trademark database to find out any pending or registered trademark that is confusing with your trademark. Then it examines the application to check whether the trademark can be registered as per the provisions of the Trademark Act and regulations or not. CIPO raises the objections and informs you about any outstanding requirements. Thereafter, the trademark is published in the Trademarks Journal and a chance is given to the public to file an opposition to your application. If no one from the public raises opposition or the decision over the opposition is decided in your favor, then the trademark is registered in your favor. Let us now discuss the statutory fee for registration of trademark in Canada. For the first class of services and goods, the applicable fee for the registration is $335.93 Canadian dollars when registration is done in the year 2022. When the registration is done in the year 2023, the fee is $347.35 Canadian dollars. For more such information, please subscribe to the channel.